All right, so this is an amazing laser level, and I wanted to see how well it performs when you're laying out straight lines across a larger space. Now, I was sent this K4 360G laser level by DOVOH, and the first thing I did was take it outside and turn it on to see how the green laser lines look in a real outdoor environment. Right here, you can see the bright green laser lines projecting across the area. The model creates four full 360-degree laser planes with two horizontal and two vertical lines, which makes it useful for aligning floors, walls, and ceilings. I show the laser working during the daytime and also at night, so you can see how visible the beams are in different lighting conditions. With post mode and a receiver, the working range can reach up to around 400 feet, which is helpful when you're working across larger spaces. The unit also has a self-leveling function that automatically adjusts if the surface is slightly uneven, and there's a manual mode that lets you lock the lines at a specific angle when you need a custom layout. The magnetic bracket gives you flexible mounting options, and rechargeable batteries help keep it running during longer jobs. Now, even though I'm showing it outdoors here, this type of laser level is commonly used both indoors and outdoors for construction, tiling, ceiling layout, and other alignment work. So if you need a laser level that projects full 360-degree lines and can reach long distances for larger projects, this one is designed to handle those types of tasks with ease.